Hello guys, today we will speak about adjective and I want you to understand how adjective will be changed if you want to use this adjective close to noun. So, what is the important part to memorize it, to know it, to understand? In Russian, adjective close to noun will be different because noun will be influenced on adjective. Why? If you remember, nouns have a different, can be different. It can be female, neuter, male. So you should understand that if noun will be female in Russian, adjective will be with the aya or я and. So, for example, молодой will be changed to молодая if you use close to adjective noun female. Do you understand? For example, молодой, it means young. Close to girl, it's a female, obviously. Молодая девушка. So, молодая, it means young. Девушка, girl. For example, молодой человек, it means young person, let's say. We can say young person, like, okay, you can't say it in English, like in Russian, we say guy, let's say that. But молодой человек, молодой человек. Do you see ой at the end? Ой at the end because it's a male word close to them. So, о молодой, but about tree. Tree can be neuter. So, gender will be influenced on adjective. So, молодое дерево. Дерево means tree. Молодое дерево. Okay, it's weird to say young tree, but in Russian you can. So, next word, новый, it means new. For example, новая лампа. Lamp, it's a female, and close to this female noun, adjective will be with ая. So, and will be ая. Новая лампа, new lamp. Or, for example, a window, it's a noun, and with a neuter, it's neuter, with a absolutely different and will be adjective. So, новое окно. Новое окно. Do you understand? That you have to, again, one more time. Let's repeat again. If you want to pronounce two words like noun and another word will be adjective, which like will be like second part of phrase, let's say that, you should understand that two words you have to put together just using and, so different and the different genders of noun. Do you understand? So next word, старый, it means old. So Старый стол. Stol, it's a table. Stol in Russian, it's a male. Старый. Старый стол. Okay. Let's put here и. О, старая лампа. Старое окно. I told you that окно, it means window, лампа, lamp. Okay? Let's say here, лампа, окно. Умный, it means smart. Умный, we can say умный guy. It's obviously male, right? Умный, и at the end. О, умная девочка, girl, девочка умная. Дешевый, дешевый, it means cheap. So, дешевый стол, table. So, let's say stол. Дешевый стол. Дешевая лампа. Дешевое окно. Understand? Вкусный. Вкусный means tasty. Okay, let's think what it can be tasty. I think if you pick something like female gender, it can be berry. Berry can be ягода. Okay? Вкусная ягода. Вкусная ягода. Вкусный суп. Суп. Вкусный суп. Or, for example, молоко. Вкусное молоко. Вкусное. So, once again, if you want to pronounce two words, first one, it's a noun, second, adjectives. Adjective will be under control from the noun. So noun influence on adjective by their age. Oh, sorry, not age. Would be interesting to influence on using age. Influence by gender. So gender is more important in Russian. It means all adjectives will be different. To understand different, why different? Changing the end of the adjective. If you know what is a gender in noun, you have to be smart, feel that you're smart and intelligent, at least in Russian. So, if you have any questions, ask me, I'm here to answer. If not, watch new video. Bye!